In this video, we will learn how to easily insert header into the Microsoft Word document. First, open your Word document and go to the Insert tab, top of the screen. And Insert tab, look for the header and footer group and click on the header option. A drop-down menu will appear the several header style option. You can choose the pre-made design, or you can click on the edit header if you prefer to customize your header. So now you can add text, title, add date, any other information. So I select here that you can add here the title, text and date on the top of the header. So I enter here the title, foreign exchange. Okay, then I use the space and here I am insert the date. Go to the header and footer tab and in insert group have a date and time options. Date and time dialog box is open and select the date and click on the insert. Okay, here the date inserted. Now if you want to change the position of the title and date, again go to the header and footer tab. In position group have a first option header from the tops. Just click on the down arrow and up arrow. You can see the changes set where you want. Okay, so if you want to see, here you can see the same header, title and date showing the second page, third page is the same. If you want to different the first page, okay, just click on the in header and footer options group the different first page. Just click on the different first page. Only first page is not showing this, is showing the second, third and others. Now you can change the different title on the first page if you want to set the different first page. Okay, so I just untick if you don't want. Okay, so this is a way you can use the different options and you can insert something in your header. And if you want to close it, just click on the close headers and done. It's done. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.